Hello, beautiful soul. This is your personal invitation to join us for the Crystal Vibes half-day virtual retreat happening in just a few days on Saturday, August 10th. Working, already got plans, no problem. It is being recorded. Why are we doing this? Because there's so much happening around the world in your communities, in your cities, your states, your countries, and even within yourself. When you are able to better manage overwhelm, or before it gets there, to raise your vibe, knowing which tools, which crystals will help you clear your path, clear the conscious mind chitter-chatter, raise your vibe, help you do the forgiveness work, help you heal your heart. Everything flows more smoothly in your life. This is why we're doing this. I'll be sharing different techniques and how to do crystal energy transfusions so that you can better utilize these amazing gifts from Mother Earth. There are pink crystals, and yes, most of them, well, all of them, help you with your heart chakra, emotions and whatnot. And yet, knowing which one, if you have more than one in your collection, in your sacred space, which one to use or which ones to pair up, how to tune into those vibrations of which specific crystals at which time to help you. And it's not always, okay, pink is for this, blue is for that, green is for this, brown is for that. It is more than that. And this is why I want to share this information with you. So bring, virtually, bring your crystals with you to this. We are doing this live event. And it is being recorded. I think I already said that part. But you can bring your crystals so that you know which ones will work with you. And I will help you to know and to tune into their vibrations even more. At night, I'm almost always taking a crystal or two or three or four to my bedside table to work with me overnight. And I will ask, okay, kind of like a soft question, which one, who? And I will immediately, and I've practiced this for a couple of years, so let's speed this up for you, as in cut down the amount of time it takes you to tune in. Now you probably, and maybe already are, tuning in, and let's fine tune that and really get your channels clearer, because you'd be surprised at which crystals will be pulling at you or sending their vibration for manifestation or clarity to get an answer or a message, because they all have different frequencies and vibrations. That part I'm well aware you already know. Do join us. Let your friends know about this. And what's the fee, and how do you join in? Well, there are a couple of ways that you can join us. And the virtual retreat is a half a day. It is $147. You can make 2 payments of $97 each, billed 30 days apart, or, and this is one of my favorite parts, because you can get more crystals and more beautiful things from our Etsy shop and save money at the same time. Because when you purchase $100 through our Etsy shop, any combination of items, crystals, singing bowls, you can even get some crystal bracelets to wear your crystals, because you can't always take your big pieces with you, right? Anyway, so those are the different ways that you can join us. Please do. Love to have you be with us and to learn and to share.